How to check sync status in OneDrive. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to check the sync status on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top left corner right here. Select it. Then here you can find camera backup right here. So it is turned off. You can see the status is off. Now tap onto settings right here. Select it. Now tap onto camera backup. Now to turn it on, simply tap onto this button right here. Just like this. And now you can see the status of the sync is now active. And that's it. This is how you can check sync status in OneDrive. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.